It's countdown to the end of today's trading activities at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And earlier on, we saw the all-share index tilting towards the negative territory. But let's see if that has changed. And Channel's business editor, Bosun Omofaye, is live at the trading floor to give us updates. But Bosun, tell us what the trading day is looking like so far.
Yeah, it's looking, this is still looking negative as we speak. The all-share index is looking like a negative territory, 0.39%. That's the composite index, what you call the basket of all the securities listed here on the equity side of the Nigerian stock market. But if you look deeper, you find that the losses have been a lot deeper for this Thursday. The NSE 30, the top 30 market companies by market capitalization, if you weight them by that basket, the NSE 30 is down 8.23%, and that's quite heavy as we speak. The banking index that was a positive 3.4% at about lunchtime, we're still a little part after lunch, is about 0.70% in negative territory. Consumer goods sector is falling very fast, 6.09% just about 5 minutes ago. Insurance sector is down by almost 1%. Hallmark Insurance, Cornerstone Insurance, Equity Insurance, Mutual Benefit. Mutual Benefit is making some small gains, but those three stocks I mentioned earlier, Hallmark Insurance, Cornerstone Insurance, and Equity Insurance are all in negative territory. So we're looking at a very negative day, Thursday, but anything could happen within the next 30 minutes before the market actually finished off. In terms of volume, we're doing a little bit higher than the total for Wednesday market, 145.759 million ordinary shares right now for about £1 billion in total and close to 2,000 transactions. But of course, we're having some of the earnings coming through, and this will interest everyone there who looked at the last listing that we had just a week ago, a few days ago. We had Notori PLC, the petrochemical company that was listed by introduction here at the exchange late last week. This company is reporting its 9 months earnings ending June the 30th, and the numbers looked not good at the bottom of the earnings, and that is talking about the loss after tax. This petrochemical and fertilizer company posted a 3.80 billion naira in loss for the 9 months ended June 30th this year. The top line, however, was also a decline from 25 billion in the same 9 months of last year to 20.58 billion naira for the first 9 months of 2018. In terms of gross profit, that was better, however, by 8.156 billion naira. Operating profit lower in the first 9 months of this year, ending June, 3.8 billion naira was the operating profit. The same 9 months last year was 4.11 billion. This company is putting through an earnings per share slightly better, 2 naira 40 kobo against 2 naira 28 kobo. This was the company that listed about 1.612 billion ordinary shares by introduction last week at about 62 naira 50 kobo on the market. Today, at the end of the day, we're looking at what's the share price of this company, how the market will react today, tomorrow, to Notori PLC, listed last week, but now reporting its first number. This is the first financial statements from this company to the Nigerian market, to the investment community, and it's reporting a loss after tax of 3.801 billion naira for the company. BC, back to you.
Now, apart from Notorious earnings that you just mentioned, now, are we expecting any other earnings reports in the markets today?
Yes, of course, we have a few earnings like from Smallfit Print, which is a very small cap company. Of course, the biggest story the market still reacted to since yesterday, the GT Bank. When companies like GT Bank or Zenith or the rest make earnings announcements, you find market reacting over a day or two or three, depending on how positive, negative, or signals that the numbers really look like for investors. We saw the share price of Stanbic IBTC, another big company, another big financial services company here in Nigeria. The share price moving up intraday about 10 points to the north, and we think market maybe getting a sense of what the numbers will look like from Stanbic. But of course, we are yet to have the numbers from UBA and Access Bank as well. In terms of volume, we've seen some of these two companies also pulling some volume on the day, and the market is looking like we have another 24 hours to the end of this week. Will these two big companies pull out their numbers as well for the week? we're waiting to see. Remember, we've gotten Zenith, we've gotten GT Bank, we're looking at Access, we're looking at UBA as well. We've gotten FBN Holdings in the basket as well already. Busy.
Well, thank you, Journal's Business Editor Wilson Omofai, for bringing us those updates live from the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. And that's our show today. Thank you for watching. I am BC Adebayo.